Do you know the average human IQ is just around 90 to 110? But after this video, if you solve all the riddles correctly, your IQ can feel like it's shooting up to 130 or even higher. These are the categories. If you score 2 to 5 points, you are nice. If you score 5 to 8 points, you are good. If you score 9 to 13 points, you are very good. If you score 14 to 17 points, you are great. If you score 18 to 23 points, you are awesome. If you score 24 to 27 points, you're outstanding. If you score 27 to 29, you're genius. Play this quiz and find in which the categories you have and how smart are you. What has to be broken before you can use it? If you answer this riddle correctly, congrats, you got 3 points. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? Now let's move to another challenging riddle. What month of the year has 28 days? If you answer this riddle correctly, congrats, you got 2 points. What is full of holes but still holds water? What question can you never answer yes to? Well done. You are doing good. Let's go to another tricky riddle. A man who was outside in the rain without an umbrella or hat didn't get a single hair on his head wet. Why? If you answer this riddle correctly, congrats, you got 3 points. What gets wet while drying? Now let's move to another challenging riddle. You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on board. How is that possible? I have branches but no fruit, trunk or leaves. What am I? The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it? Are you ready for the final tricky riddle? David's parents have 3 sons: Snap, Crackle, and what's the name of the third son? Now, count your score and see how IQ you have.